let me tell you something from my own experience. When I started learning English, I couldn't even form a proper sentence. But now I can speak English confidently. Hi friends, if you really want to speak English fluently and if you want to improve your communication skills, then the first and most important thing is you have to listen a lot. Yes, listening plays a very important role in improving your English. If you are not listening enough, your English speaking skills won't improve. Simple. I'm English Friend 360 and in this video today, I'm going to discuss 3 steps that can help you improve your spoken English. First of all, let me tell you something from my own experience. When I started learning English, I couldn't even form a proper sentence. But now I can speak English confidently, right? And you know the secret? I listened a lot. Back then, I used to spend a lot of time listening to English content like interviews, podcasts, movies, and YouTube videos. That habit helped me improve my English. Listening was the game changer for me in the beginning. Okay, so first thing, if you don't have confidence to speak English, first of all, just build it. But how do you build confidence? By practicing daily. The more you practice, the more natural English will feel to you. Okay, here I am giving you 3 steps that can help you build your confidence. So, step number 1, listen as much as possible. If you have free time, utilize it for listening. Some people ask me, what should I listen to? Well, it depends on your interest. If you love sports, listen to sports commentary in English. Okay? And if you enjoy movies, just watch them in English. Of course, you can watch movies with subtitles in the beginning. And if you like motivational content, watch English speeches or podcasts. So, in this way, whatever you do, just make sure you are exposing yourself to English every single day. That's how fluency develops. Okay. And step number 2, try to speak whenever possible. See, my friends, listening alone is not enough. You have to speak as well. Speak with friends, talk to yourself in English, or join an online speaking platform. The key is to use English in daily conversations. But one thing, don't worry about mistakes. Remember, mistakes are a part of learning. Just focus on expressing yourself. The more you speak, the better you get. Okay? And finally, step number 3, learn basic grammar. Now, I'm not saying you need to master every grammar rule, but having a good understanding of basic grammar like tenses, parts of speech, and sentence structure will make a huge difference in your confidence. Okay, so just spend 30 minutes a day watching grammar videos on YouTube videos or reading some simple grammar books. This will help you avoid common mistakes and make your sentences smoother. Okay, so these are the 3 steps that can help you improve your English. Now, let's have a quick recap of what we have discussed in this video today. So, step number 1, listen a lot. Watch or listen to English content based on your interest. Okay. Step number 2, speak daily. Practice with friends and yourself or on an online platform. And step number 3, learn basic grammar. Spend a little time improving your grammar foundation. So, if you follow these 3 steps, I'm sure your English will improve faster than you can imagine. So, what is stopping you? Start today. But before doing that, a small request. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more tips like this. Thank you for watching.